We're gonna make a delicious shrimp cocktail by fire roasting tomatoes, turning them into a tomato juice, and then quickly searing shrimp to serve along with it. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be out of control good. We're gonna blacken these and take them off of here and blend them with some carrots, make it into a delicious juice, tomato sauce, water it down a little bit, strain it, and drink it with some grilled shrimp. Who are you calling a shrimp? They're so easy to overcook if the flame is too low. These shrimp are just about cooked. I'd say this is the way that a shrimp likes to be cooked, but I don't think shrimp like to be cooked, not at all. Let's talk about this more some other time. These guys are done. Shrimps, seared on a hot as hell plancha, one of the things that we made the Fourneau fire pit grill specifically to do. All about high heat, all about delicious, delicious food over the live fire. Worcestershire. 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 89 cents at Meijer. Two tablespoons. Add more pepper, put some celery in it, make some cucumber juice part of it. It's all delicious as long as it's refreshing and sweet and salty and a little tangy. It's gonna do the job. A little bit more Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Put in a little ooze. Some dashes of hot sauce to your liking.